Okay. Wow. No, it's not. Oh, it's another plane we haven't seen yet. Worldwide service. UPS plane. Oh, nice. Well, didn't expect one of these beauties to fly into Lindbergh Field. Hey, there goes YouTube. Beautiful. I filmed this. It's a pretty interesting plane. I like how the wings are hanging off the top of the plane instead of the side.
Bombardier Q400 looks like.
Nice. There goes YouTube. How's it going, YouTube? Me and Extreme Pottery fan are once again down at Lindbergh Field getting some plane and train action. Our first plane is this Alaska taking off. Not as good as LAX, but it's still fun to get some planes coming in and out of this airport. And there it goes. All right, YouTube, one of our favorite planes to come in and out of Lindbergh Field. Here comes the JAL coming into Lindbergh Field right now. Woohoo! There it is. Yeah, YouTube, I was used to the big planes up at LAX last week, but this is definitely one of the better ones here in San Diego. There it is, landing safely. Woo! All right, YouTube, here's a United plane taking off. There it goes. Here's another plane coming into Lindbergh Field, YouTube. Oh, South Country, nice. I was gonna say that was in Southwest. There it is, landing safely. All right, YouTube, here's an Alaska taking off. Out of Lindbergh Field. All right, YouTube, another United taking off. Obviously, the takeoff is better at LAX, YouTube, but anyway, there goes that United out of here. Oh. All right, YouTube, here comes another JetBlue coming in.
Thanks. Yeah, I will.
Sorry.
Yep. Okay.
And there they are landing safely at Lindbergh Field. All right, YouTube, a Canadian Rogue airplane about to take off from Lindbergh Field. Rogue Air Canada. Since my friend Extreme Pottery fan was born in Canada. I love the acceleration noise they do out of Lindbergh Field. And there they go. All right, YouTube, another United plane coming into Lindbergh Field. I actually kind of like United a little bit. And there they are landing safely. All right, YouTube, here's an Alaska about to take off. Taxi up there. guys get that gist of it. There goes that Lindbergh field. All right, YouTube, a Virgin America about to take off. Unfortunately, because they take off on the opposite side of the runway, YouTube, I usually don't get them actually lifting off on the ground here. But it's still cool to watch the engines just rev up here. And there it goes, YouTube. All right, YouTube, one of me and Extreme Padre fans' favorite airlines. Here's an American 757 about to take off. Come on, hit the gas. Here we go. Damn, love the scheme on these old scheme on these American planes. And there goes out of Lindbergh Field. All right, YouTube, one of our favorite airlines to get it out of Lindbergh Field is the JAL, Japan Airlines, taxiing up here. Cam, is the plane look a little smaller than the previous JLs we get? Weird. Yeah, Cam, looks a lot smaller than what we used to see. There goes YouTube, and we'll get the takeoff. YouTube, and the JAL is taking off here. Yeah, the plane. Whoa. JAL, it's always a pleasure to get YouTube here at Lindbergh Field. And there goes that at San Diego. All right, YouTube, another plane taking off. Here's this American. Goes out of Lindbergh Field. All right, YouTube, here comes a FedEx loaded cargo plane coming into Lindbergh Field. I mean, YouTube, I'm a big fan of these big loaded cargo planes coming into San Diego. There it is, landing safely. Woo!
Sorry.
All right, YouTube, here comes the Nevada 1 Southwest special scheme coming in. Woo!
You had to be back.
Oh, there goes YouTube.
Yep.
All right, YouTube, another FedEx cargo coming into Lindbergh Field. Man, that's a big-ass plane there. We're coming into San Diego anyways. Whoa.
Easy does it now. Amazing. Hey. Smoker. Right before the tree.
Anyway, YouTube, there it goes. All right, YouTube, we got the Nevada 1 Southwest scheme about to take off from Lindbergh Field here. I mean, YouTube, it's hard getting spammed by so many Southwest, but I can make an exception here. And there it goes. YouTube. Our YouTube, an old military plane. Sorry, YouTube, Oh, it's not landing. Anyway, YouTube, there it goes. A little late start on this one, YouTube. Here's another FedEx cargo landing. Oh, sorry, Cam. Shit.
That was a DC-10.
And there it goes. All right, YouTube, a special Southwest scheme about to take off here. Oh my god. Yep, that's the Carsland, Alaska right there. Wow, two liveries right next to each other. And there goes that Arizona Southwest out of here, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we got a huge UPS plane coming over this building and into Lindbergh Field. There it is. Woo! That's a big ass plane there. At least for Lindbergh Field. And there it is, landing safely, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here's this Alaska with the Cars guys on it. How many of you guys are a fan of the 2006 movie Cars? I know I am. Eat again, as Mater says in the famous line from Cars. There goes YouTube. All right, YouTube, a plane that happened to miss the Southwest plane that happened to miss the runway. There it goes, doing a go around. Ha! Wow. All right, YouTube, an older American plane about to take off here. Definitely one of my favorite schemes on any airline. Out of Lindbergh Field. All right, YouTube, another massive plane about to take out of Lindbergh Field. Here's a DHL plane, cargo plane about to get out of here. Am I in the way, Cam? Looks like it's gonna have to stop here. And there it is, almost about to take off. All right, you see, here's the DHL cargo plane about to take off from Lindbergh Field. Oh, now they're hitting the gas. Field there, YouTube, and there it is, lifting off. Chasing the setting sun, there it goes out of Lindbergh Field. Yeah, what the heck, I'll stay with it for another second. Wow, look at it against the sun. That's unbelievable. There goes YouTube. All right, YouTube, Dash 8 plane coming in.
Oh, SCSU. Oh, SCSU.
Oh, it is an SCSU plane. Oh, nice. Stupid bolt. There we go. And there goes into Lindbergh Field, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here's our last plane today that we're filming. Here's the British Airways coming into Lindbergh Field. Wow, unbelievable. Woohoo! Right on time, too. As this awesome British plane lands into Lindbergh Field, YouTube, this concludes our plane footage. There it goes. Woo!